Welcome to Hell of a Cake, and today we'll be doing about World Cup cupcakes. The first stages is you'll need some white modelling paste, a knife and a World Cup mould. So now what I want you to do is take the white modelling paste and then pop it into the trophy mould and then just press down all the icing until it's firmly in and then smooth off. Just turn the mould over and release the icing from the mould, and there you have your World Cup. But if that doesn't work and it's hard to get out, put in the freezer for 10 minutes and then take it back out and that should be fine. Take your gold dust and mix it with rejuvenator and then apply to trophy. I've got some green food colouring, apply 2 lines as seen in video. Next step, take modelling paste and roll out. What I want to do now is take the hexagon cutter and cut out some hexagon shapes for the football, and then do the same for the black. Apply hexagon shapes to Polly Pocket. Do the same for the black ones. This will help it from drying out. Roll out white modelling paste until 2 mm thick. Take the scone cutters, use the third one in and then use the straight edge and then cut them out. Take black hexagons from Polly Pocket. Take the paintbrush, apply the water to the modelling paste circle. Place hexagons on circle as shown in video. Take the same scone cutter, place down on circle and cut off all loose edges. Take the foam ball, place the modelling paste over the foam ball and then smooth down. Take your paintbrush, apply some water to the top of the cupcake and then place your trophy on top of the cupcake. Apply the topper to the cupcake and then wipe off the excess buttercream with your paintbrush. Apply edible glue to buttercream. Pop some green sugar paste into the craft gun and then place it around the outside of the cupcake as shown in the video. And there we have World Cup cupcakes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe by clicking the button below.